Coming up, how to duet on TikTok in 2020 on your Android or iOS device. Keep watching and find out how you can do this. What's up guys, welcome back to another video on how to digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duet on TikTok in 2020. This is going to be very simple, and if you follow the steps, you should be able to do this yourself. Let's just jump right into it. I'm already on the TikTok app, and you want to open TikTok on your phone as well. Now, once you're on TikTok, you want to go to whatever video you want to duet on. So I'm just going to go to the home page and find a random video. Let me just turn down my volume, by the way. So let's say I want to create a duet on this video. You want to click on the share icon, and then right there you find the duet like button. I'm not sure what to call that, but it's right there. You can then click on that, and it's then going to send you over to your camera. So right now it's processing, and then as you can see right there, I can now start filming, and I can then create the duet. Now for some videos this won't be possible because you can also manually disable this. So some creators might upload videos. Let's say I upload a video right now, which looks like this. Then click on that. Then I can also disable that. So if I just click on next right there, allow duet, so you can actually disable that. So for some videos this is not going to be possible, but for most of them you simply want to click on the share icon and then click on duet right there, and you can then start recording. Now if you enjoyed that video, if this was helpful, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you're going to use this, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.